Fix missing chat history sync now Messenger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing chat history sync in Facebook Messenger. If your messages aren't showing up on all your devices, don't worry, let's get that sorted out. First, make sure you have the latest version of Messenger installed. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Messenger app, and make sure you have the latest app. Make sure to update it. If your app is updated, let's move on to the next step. Now make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data isn't working well, your chat history might not sync across devices. Try turning on and off your Wi-Fi or switching to mobile data to see if that solves the issue. Now, if syncing issues persist, try logging out of Messenger. Tap on three horizontal bar, go to settings, scroll down and tap on logout. Once you're logged out, sign back in and see if the chat history syncs correctly. Now, if none of the previous steps work, the next option is to uninstall and reinstall Messenger. If the issue is only happening on one device, try using Messenger on a different device like another phone, tablet, or computer to see if your chat history syncs there. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps help you fix the missing chat history sync in Messenger.